Hello, and welcome to a grab and go opportunity presented by me, Christine, the teen librarian at the Jones Creek branch of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library System. Today, we will be making rotating origami fidget rings, like this one. Your materials are strips of paper, glue or tape, and scissors. Let's get started. First, you'll take 2 of your strips and put them at right angles to each other. Then you'll glue them together in that shape. Next, you'll fold one piece of paper across, the one that's on the bottom, and then the other piece of paper. Keep going, folding back and forth as this little square stacks up in the middle. When you get to the end of those sheets of paper, add 2 more. I recommend having the paper not begin directly on the line, but in a little bit, so that you get the double strength of the fold and more area that you've covered in glue. And we'll continue to fold these over each other again and again and again. All right, we're short again. Let's add our 3rd set of strips. Now you can see how thick my little square is getting there. That's exciting. Especially since this is our last set of folds. How neat. Except for that little bit. We'll cut that off. Now we are going to glue or tape these to this side and make it into a ring. I'm going to put one inside of here Where'd you go? Here. We'll glue here to here. There. We'll give the glue a little chance to dry. Close our glue stick all the way, like responsible people. And let's give it a go. Yes. Well, this is a very enjoyable and fun sensation. You can go around forwards. Oops. You can wait for the glue to dry, and you can go sort of towards the middle or away from the middle. And this one I made with 3 colors where each color was matched at the same time. This one I made earlier, I made with 2 colors, and when I made it, one color came this way and the other color came that way. So you have a couple of different options for how you make them. All right. I hope you have enjoyed this grab and go opportunity. I hope you enjoy your little fidget rings. And may they live on your desk for a long time to come. Thank you for your time. If you like what you've seen, leave us a comment, tag us on Instagram or Facebook with your results, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.